wondered how your car's dashboard feels as smooth as butter to the touch? Or why that one button on your center console presses back with perfect resistance? Not too loose, not too stiff. It's all thanks to the precision engineering behind automotive injection molding. Let's dive into how we make perfection happen. Hello everyone, I'm Kyle Murray, the Director of Engineering at First Mold. Molds are the ghost workers, magicking raw materials into car parts you can't live without. They're the backbone of mass production, guaranteeing every piece meets our tightest specs. These precision tools are built to last 500,000 cycles, with tolerances tighter than a human hair. When dealing with tough materials like PA66 plus GF30, molds are typically made from hardened H13 steel, and to nail that mirror finish, they're precision machined with high-speed CNC. For those sneaky tight corners, engineers use EDM to carve out microscopic details no tool can reach. But molds aren't perfect right out of the box. Engineers put them through a real workout. In the initial T0 phase, we keep the temperature within 2 degrees of the target. In all trial phases, the mold runs an 8-hour dry cycling test to check clamping and ejection functions with real-time tracking of its movements. Mold trials aren't just about the process, they reveal hidden mold flaws. Take this ignition button. A 135-degree plus flow angle during testing created weld lines, causing 12% defects. But simulations found a better flow path, and with vacuum vents added in 2 spots, defects dropped to 0.8%, and cycles sped up by 6 seconds. Then comes the critical dance of heat and pressure, where raw plastics are turned into key car components. PA66 plus GF30 works best at 320-340 degrees C, while PC ABS interior parts need to stay around 240 C, 260 degrees C. When molding thin-walled parts, high pressure fills the molds in milliseconds. For thicker parts, rapid heating and cooling prevent flaws. This helps keep the surface smooth and cuts production time dramatically. Here, 99.9%, that's a fail. Every molded part, whether it's your AC vents or those clicky buttons, faces tough checks. Our engineers follow IATF 16949 standards for process control and use layered sampling to catch even the smallest visual defects. The goal? Perfect interiors. No bubbles, no scratches, no flow marks. And every button has to feel just right. From mold to injection molding to final check, this is how 0 defects isn't just a goal, it's a guarantee. At First Mold, we've spent 14 years perfecting this craft. Want to see more? Join us as we engineer perfection, one car part at a time.